All right, welcome to lesson 3. I want to ask you something right at the top of this lesson. Why are you doing this? Not why real estate. I mean, why are you really doing this? What is the thing underneath the thing? What gets you out of bed at 6 a.m. when every part of you wants to stay under the covers? That answer, that real answer, is what this lesson is about. Because goals without a compelling why are just numbers on a piece of paper. And we're building something that lasts. Here's a distinction I want you to hold on to. Goals are the destination. Your GCI target, gross commission income, your number of closings, your income goal for year 1, these are the finish line. They're important, but finish lines don't fuel you when the race gets hard. Your why is the fuel. It's the deeper reason behind the goal. The thing that pulls you through rejection, through slow months, through the moments when you wonder if this is working. Here's how to find your real why. Ask yourself, why 5 times in a row, building on each answer. For example, I want to make $100,000 in my first year. Why? Because I want financial security. Why? Because I'm tired of worrying about bills. Why? Because my kids deserve to see their parent not stressed about money. Why? Because I want to model what's possible for them. Why? Because my parents never had that, and it affected everything. That last answer, that's your real why, and that's what gets you on the phone when you don't feel like it. Let me give you some concrete context for goal setting as a new agent. Writing your goal down makes you 42% more likely to achieve it. That's not motivation speak, that's research. So if your goal isn't written down after this lesson, it doesn't count. $75,000 is a reasonable first year goal GCI target for an agent who commits fully and closes around 10 transactions. That's not a ceiling. Some of you will blow past it, but it's a real achievable target to aim for. And here's the number most new agents don't think about. You'll need 3 to 4 transactions just to cover your basic expenses. License fees, MLS dues, marketing costs, gas. So your first few deals aren't profit, they're investment. Know your numbers, write them down, and then reverse engineer your plan from that result. Here's a 4-step framework for setting goals that actually work. Step number 1 is to set your income goal. Pick a specific number, not a range, a number. I want to earn between $60,000 and $90,000 is not a goal. $80,000 is a goal. Step 2, reverse engineer it. Take your income goal and divide it by your average commission. That gives you the number of transactions you need. Then work backwards. How many appointments does it take to get 1 transaction? How many conversations to get 1 appointment? Now you have daily activity targets. Step number 3 is set your activity goals. This is where most agents stop, at the outcome goals. Don't stop there. Define exactly how many calls, doors, and appointments you'll do each week to hit your number. Step number 4, review it weekly. Every Friday, review your numbers. Celebrate your wins. Identify your gaps and adjust next week's plans. Goals aren't set and forgotten, they're managed. A goal without a plan is just a wish. A plan without a why is just a list. That's the whole lesson in 2 sentences. You need all 3, the why that fuels you, the goal that directs you, and the plan that moves you. If any one of these 3 is missing, the system breaks down. A powerful why with no plan equals passion with no traction. A detailed plan with no why equals productivity with no resilience. You need all 3, and after this lesson, you'll have all 3. 5 action steps today, and this is the biggest homework assignment of Module 1, so give it the time it deserves. 1. Do the 5 why exercise right now. Grab a journal, ask yourself why 5 times, and write down your core why in 1 sentence. Number 2, set your year 1 income goal, a specific dollar number. Write that down. Number 3, reverse engineer it. Calculate how many closings you need, how many appointments, how many conversations per week. Build your activity targets. Number 4, put your goal and your why somewhere you'll read it every morning. A bathroom mirror, a phone wallpaper, whatever works for you. Number 5, share your goal with an accountability partner. This week, saying it out loud to another person makes it real. Your key takeaway is clarity of purpose is the first competitive advantage. Know your why. Lesson 4 is next, understanding your market and choosing your farm area. We'll see you there.